Focus on your hustle, I'm not worth it, Nengi tells Ozo. Big Brother NAIJA housemate Nengi has advised her fellow housemate Ozo to focus on why he came to the lockdown house. Ozo was issued a second strike on Friday for breaking one of the rules in the lockdown house after he was found guilty of writing a love letter to his love interest.
If there's any distractions, me or not me or cut it. Cut it. Cut it. We have what? How many? 2 weeks. Yeah. Cut it. It's not worth it.
See, you're not a distraction, no.
I feel that way though.
How do you think you're a distraction?
I don't know.
However, Nengi, who was feeling guilty about the whole situation, told Ozo to leave her and face the game if she's a distraction to him. She also told him to remember why he came into the house in the first place, adding that she feels she's a distraction to him. In her words, she said, "If I'm a distraction, please cut me off because I feel like I am a distraction to you. Let's leave all this whole love thing and focus on why we are here. Because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We can't come here and misuse the opportunity we have here. I have told you we have to start mingling with other housemates. I am feeling guilty about all this because I feel like I am the one making you do this stuff. Don't let anyone or anything make you forget why you are here," she said. But guys, you won't believe what Ozo said after Nengi told him this. Ozo stated that Nengi isn't a distraction to him and he is still bent in pushing her for a relationship. So guys, after Nengi said all this, Ozo was still adamant that he still wants a relationship with Nengi as he does not see Nengi as a distraction. So guys, what do you think about this Ozo and Nengi relationship? And considering the fact that Ozo has been issued the second strike because he was trying to impress Nengi. Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.